Welcome to pactiss.org and the podcast of philosophical and critical thinking points and how to make them in the classroom. Today we're going to look at one of the fundamental problems with the idea of free will, and that is this. Our brains are made of matter, much the same stuff as the rest of our bodies, and as such they're subject to the same physical and biochemical laws of the rest of our body. Now, no one's suggesting that our heart or our kidney have free will. No one's really suggesting that other brains necessarily have free will. Consider, for example, the brain of a mouse or a newt. Now, no one's saying that these things have free will, but we make that claim about our brain. And why is that? After all, surely our brain is subject to these same laws. How is it possible that an idea that we get is not the result of these laws acting on the matter in our brains? How can we transcend these laws and have this ghost in the machine that is our brain directing our consciousness? This is a somewhat intractable problem, because if we say that our mind is separate from the laws that govern our brain, then how can the two interact? How is it that the mind can control the body, or indeed the body gives rise to the mind, if they are not subject to the laws of the universe? This is a big problem, often called or part of the mind-body problem. Now, it's entirely possible, of course, that we don't have free will. The question is, how would we act if we didn't? And the answer is probably the same as we act right now. So we'll just go along with the illusion that we have free will, and no one need know the difference.